Check out these two little beauties. Hey, you guys, stop. These two are heartbroken right now. Trying to give you guys the same amount of love. Oh no, Riley, what's going on? Oh, what's going on, little buddy? Oh, what's going on? This is Casey. This is Casey. This is Riley. Ow! What are you doing, you rascally little bugger, huh? You're rascally, aren't you? This is Casey. He's the boy. Ow! 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 You just bit my gut. Ow! They are freaking full of it. I love it. You're cute, bud. Riley. Riley. Ow! 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 Riley, what are you doing? Huh? Get your brother off me. Here's my little girl, Riley. Oh, bibbers. Two little GSP puppies. German short-haired pointers. Gonna be shed dogs and bird dogs. Ow! Ow! Shed dogs and bird dogs. Oh, boy. Then the wieners are... They feel like they've been replaced, even though we're trying to not make them feel that way. Lily. Then Lily's caught right in the middle, aren't you, girl, huh? Hey. Say goodnight, guys. Say goodnight.